In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save chat history in NotebookLM. If you've been using NotebookLM and want to make sure you can come back to your previous conversations, the good news is that the process is very simple. NotebookLM handles chat history a little differently from some other tools, so it helps to understand where that information is actually stored and how to find it again later. To get started, open your preferred search engine and search for NotebookLM. This is the fastest way to reach the official site if you're not already there. When the search results appear, click the first link that leads to NotebookLM. Make sure you're choosing the official Google NotebookLM page so you end up in the right place. Once you're on the NotebookLM website, click on the Try NotebookLM button. This will take you into the main NotebookLM interface where your notebooks and conversations are organized. If you need to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your personal workspace. Now here's the key thing to understand. In NotebookLM, your chat history is essentially saved inside each notebook. In other words, you do not usually need to manually save each chat the way you might in another app. Instead, NotebookLM keeps your conversations connected to the notebook where they were created. From the home page, look for the Recent Notebooks section. This area shows the notebooks you've already created, and each one acts like a container for your sources, your work, and your conversation history. When you click on a notebook, you can go back in and review the chat history associated with that specific notebook and its selected sources. This means that if you asked questions, generated summaries, or explored ideas inside a notebook, those interactions should remain available there for you to revisit. So if your goal is to save your chat history, the main idea is to keep track of the notebook you were working in because that notebook is where your conversation is stored. A helpful tip is to give your notebooks clear, recognizable names so it's easier to find the right one later from your home page. That can save time, especially if you create multiple notebooks for different topics or projects. So to recap, search for NotebookLM, open the official link, click Try NotebookLM, and then access your previous conversations through the notebook where they were created. That's how chat history is saved in NotebookLM.